This is gonna be a big old biscuit. Hello everybody, hope you're well, and I hope that I haven't broken these. Hope life is good. Welcome, we're making a Jammie Dodger today, but not just any Jammie Dodger. Oh my gosh, I think I've broken them. The Jammie Dodgers, if you don't know what they are, they're British biscuits here in the UK. I've done small ones here on the channel. We are making a big one, a massive one. I'll show you what they are in just a minute, but whilst on the screen right now, you will see I just popped to the supermarket and collected some ingredients, minimal ingredients that you need for this. You need flour, you need butter, you need sugar, and you need jam. That is it. It's kind of like a 4-ingredient giant food, which I love the sound of, but oh, we're going big. Yes, look at these. These are about the width of a standard like dustbin. Ooh. Okay, so just coming into shot now is a Jammie Dodger. Look, it's 2 biscuits wedged together with raspberry jam. Oh yeah, it's got a heart-shaped cup out of it, and of course the very cool splodgy pattern on there, which of course we're gonna try and do. It might not look as good as that, but by jolly well, goodness me, we are gonna try and do it. Let's make our dough. All right, now, so this butter isn't completely softened, and you really do want it at room temperature. In fact, it looked like little slices of cake, all the butter. So we're gonna do artificial room temperature. Basically in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Oh, that's better. Oh, yes, it's good. It's spongy. If you get me, it's soft. It's got a bit of, it's kind of like a Play-Doh texture. That is ideal. It'll cream much easier.
Maybe if we have more, we have leftover jam, we could have jam on toast.
Just jam on toast? So I'm making a huge biscuit and you don't want some of that? You just want jam on toast?
Oh, yeah. And I do want to try it.
Okay. Sugar in. Yes! You Jammie Dodger, you got it all in the bowl and none of it on the floor. Get it?
No.
You Jammie Dodger, you got it all in the bowl. You ever heard that phrase, Jammie Dodger?
No. I've heard Jammie Dodgers because they're biscuit.
This is going well. Kids are going out in a minute. So I think they're waiting for Mrs. Barry to get ready. She takes like 45 minutes to get ready and the kids are just like, yeah, just get ready, put a jumper on. Are you waiting for Mummy?
Yeah, I'm here and I'm ready, thank you.
What the heck? What is this? Some sort of sitcom? It's like an episode of Friends or something. Yeah, totally shouldn't have used a whisk. Wooden spoon. Because then you got to push it all through like that. Whoops. All right. I think I've just cracked our mixing bowl.
Out of everything you've made in that bowl, and you break it, mixing butter and sugar together.
Stick it in there instead then. I have to get myself a new bowl. That's a shame, we've been through so much together. Flour's going in. We're gonna form the flour with the sugar and the butter to make the dough. Could you get me the Rapmaster 3000 out before you go? We can dip this all down now.
I'll go get the Rapmaster 3000. I'll go get the Rapmaster.
Oh my gosh! People with things grabbing me. We need to wrap it and chill it in the fridge so it becomes easier to roll out, because right now it is a teeny bit dry, but trust me, I know it doesn't look like much. It doesn't look much at all. But this will be a dough. Oh my god, the record button on my camera is literally covered in dough right now. I've just shaped it. It doesn't matter that it's like a disc shape like this, because we're going to flatten it out. Rapmaster 3000 to get it covered tightly, and then we chill it. Oh dear me, what a mess. Anyhow, wow, this is firmed up quite solid already. It's only rested for... Oh my gosh. I think I just broke the Rapmaster 3000. Oh no. That's why I shouldn't really film and talk at the same time. Well, I've actually got another one, believe it or not. But I'll just have to take the cling film off the roll. Oh yeah, that ain't gonna make it. Never mind, I have got a spare one, luckily, but please be careful. Also, on that subject, health and safety, my wedding ring is just down there on the counter. I was thinking, did I leave that in the dough? The bad news for me is I've got to make this again. The good news for you, you don't have to see it. So I'm gonna basically jump, cut. Well, that second one was a darn sight easier. It's amazing what happens when the kids aren't trying to sing Baby Shark in my ear. As you can see, it wants to sort of spread because it's still warm, so by chilling it, that is absolutely critical. Whether you're doing a giant one, whether you're doing small ones, if you try it like this and it turns out good, you're a Jammie Dodger. For 3 ingredients, get my wedding ring back on. It's been a little bit scary, hasn't it? We broke our plastic bowl, we broke the Rat Master. Next bit, we want to make sure we get our shape right. Well, that is after I tidy this up. Baking parchment. Because the parchment is going to be the best tool for this entire recipe to help make it as authentic as possible. Forget the ingredients, you know? All you need is this. Sort of. Can you see that? Why was I doing this again? So the Jammie Dodger has actually got little ripples in it. So I'll do my own. I'm gonna literally draw bumps on it. I like Bob Ross. I tell you what, I'm blooming happy with that. That's gonna be my sort of thing. When I get my dough on there, I'm probably just gonna wing it, aren't I? All right, so we've got our template. The dough will go down. This goes down on top. Roll it out just to get that shape. Then we'll use this and stick it on top. Yes, I think this is something. It's something. So we'll slam that right down. Look, that does not really want to move much, which is perfect. So it's warming up again, so it is going to get a little smoother. Oh, but we can get it. In fact, let's take it over the edge a little bit, like a pizza base. Nice. Pizza wheel, I think, was going to come in handy here, and this is all going to be my scraps, hopefully from a splodge. Okay, so I'll quickly cut out another piece. This is a whole circle, and, oh yeah. Turn it over. Nice. Now I use my template. I'm just going over it lightly with a pizza wheel so that then I can remove the paper and then score it. So hopefully I can now. All right, it's in. It is. It's in there. Oh, do you know what? Actually, I think I'm just gonna push it all out for the moment. Okay, I've got it in the pan in one piece, which for me actually is the most critical thing. Starbucks mug. No, that does that do it? If I just. It's too small. Oh no, what have I done? A final piece that I've cut out, and I'm using my mug. Do you know what? After all that, no, I'm going to keep it round. I don't care. Let's just get it in the oven. This is going to go on the middle shelf. And I'm going to say about 15 minutes. Will my oven shut? Yes, it will. Okay. We just want it lightly golden. Yeah, it's going in there for 15 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens. So whilst that is baking, just getting the lid done. And this is going to need a bit more thought. All the spare dough, amazing. Alright, back in the fridge with that. And now we need to do a heart somehow. Oh yeah. Oh, that's just so snug. I love that. So using this scrap bit of paper, I'm gonna just freehand a heart. Nice. And then from the heart, it kind of goes with it. Circle a bit up there, but I've done the main bit there. I don't know if you can see it too well because the pencil's very light. Okay. Alright, so if we forget the little dots and things, that actually does look quite a bit like the splat. So we put a dot there and the thing with the J and the D on it. I think this might work. It will look better when I cut the heart out, I promise. Yes! Check that out. And also, the oven. Oh my gosh, I haven't even been looking at it. Ooh, it's alright. It needs a little longer. The cool thing now is I can take my leftover dough, press my template into it, and work fairly quickly because whilst it's cold, it will cut really well. Now that is awesome. I'm going to leave the heart on there for the moment though. So I've got my splodges and I did my circle, which obviously says JD there. So I'm just going to get this little tool thing. Okay, that's pretty neat. I've just had a quick look and it is, oh, I don't know if you can see, just around the edges lightly golden brown. It will be very soft right now, but if I leave it to cool, it should firm up. All right, so here is our top half, and if we just give it a very quick brush with water, because that will just help act as just sort of a temporary glue. So then if you stick this down, it's going to be like this. I'm going through 2 layers. Oh, 1. Come on, out you come. Oh no! Oh, it's so stuck. It's so stuck to the bottom. But I've got the score, so that's all right. There we go. Yeah. The JD bit sits up there. There we go. Oh my gosh. That actually looks pretty good. I have no idea what's going to happen when I bake it though. And it goes again. 15 minutes. Ah. You know what, guys? I made a mistake. Look at this. Ah, look. I forgot to chill this one. I chilled my other one. I can still see it a little bit, and it ain't cooked through. But my heart's gone. I'm going to carry on baking it because I can break it up for normal biscuits. But what I think we'll do, everything is pointing me towards doing one of these. So I'm going to get this dish a little smaller, and I'm making another dough. All right, 2 doughs done again, and some spare from before. And as you can tell, yeah, it was pretty messy.
It's not going well.
Well, if you want a big biscuit, I got 2.
Okay.
But don't worry, we will go. I've just been brushing up a bit.
Yeah.
I made a mess. All right. So we're going to take our tray, our tin thing, and use it as a bit of a template. It's a bit of an angle on it actually, so that might cause a problem. But we should be able to lift that up like that. Use that as spare dough and keep it chilled almost as soon as we can. Right. It's a loose bottom tin. I've got some baking parchment anyway. Oh, I'm way, way happier with that. So in the fridge for 10 minutes. There we go then. So chilled base number 1 is going in. I've just realised I've only got one of these tins, so it's going to take a while, so I've got to let it cool down in the tin before making it the other one. Bee's a legend, didn't she?
Yeah, she gave you that for Valentine's Day.
Did she? Did you get me these?
No.
All right. I am so, so happy with this. It's shrunk back a little bit. Look at that. Oh, lightly brown, so it'll be a little stronger too. Really, really happy. Let's let that cool down. All right, this is the second one. It's in the lid, but I'm putting it in the fridge just for the moment. Again, taking no chances. Fridge. This is good. I just really hope that by chilling it properly now, it will hold its shape during this bake. All right, so this is chilled for a teeny bit. Gonna use this cutter now and hope that it kind of helps here. Will it pull it out for me? Come on, have a heart, have a heart. Oh, have a heart. Check that out. Okay, let's build this on. So a little bit of water around the edge again and just use the heart shape to line it up. Are we doing this? I don't know. This is feeling good. Yes. Fridge, again, half an hour, real good set, and then we bake. Here we go then. Let's do this. Oh, if this works. Oh. And it's going straight in. No messing. Boom. 15 minutes. Please. Please. Here it is. Look at this, mate. Look. Oh, you look cross-eyed. Just held its shape. It's lightly browned. It's still a bit hot. It's burning my hand a little bit. All right, it's DJ Jammie Dodger. You Jammie Dodger. Right, let's, I will be a Jammie Dodger if we pull this off. It's gone from all over the shop, hasn't it? Let's build it. So I'm hoping, I haven't done it yet, this should be quite solid. Come on, there we go. All right, that came off quite easily. Oh, check that out. This is some raspberry jam that I've just warmed up in the microwave. You could do it in a saucepan just to make it a teeny bit more maneuverable. So we're just gonna spread it on. Give it like a teeny bit of a gap from the edge, yeah, all the way around. But we don't want it too thick. This is actually gonna obviously give it flavour, which you get in a Jammie Dodger anyway, and also glue it.
The best step about making anything is eating it.
I like your style, I've taught you well. All right, the lid. I mean, look at that. I am so happy with that. Okay. Oh, yes. Right, we need to fill the middle bit up with some jam. Do you want to do it? Hey, Daddy. Happy with that? I think that looks blooming amazing. Right, let's shove this in the fridge for about half an hour. Probably a good hour, actually, to firm up. And then we'll have a bite.
Bye-bye.
It's only been 20 minutes in the fridge, but boy, it didn't need much more. It's all firmed up. Look at that. It's the size of my head. The attention to detail. The jelly has set. I now want to do the Lady in the Tramp scene with my wife. Not eating the whole thing, no.
To get to you the other
Right,
side.
sit up there.
Yeah, all right.
Come on. Actually, no, I'll break this. If this shatters...
What are you doing?
I mean, it is a bit of a shame because... Oh my gosh, I need to put it off the edge. There is a bit of a shame. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a shame because, like, I was going to go for the big one. But I thought, actually, to get the ripples on it... Whew,
Sounds
like, I think that looks better, like that. I mean, we could have gone bigger and I could have done that. And this is still huge. Right?
Yeah.
Mm. Actually kicked me in the guts then. That actually hurt.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I put my out just to gently...
Well,
This is very good though.
yeah, you keep eating that and look, we've done it.
Yeah,
Amazing. I'm
well done.
so happy with how this has worked out. So don't forget to check out the rest of the Giant Food playlist. Keep the suggestions coming. There's loads to get through. I will get through them all. Don't go baking my heart. I could. Guys, you know me too well. If I'm going to have all that dough, I'm going to give it another go, aren't I? The big one is done. And it's down here. So I didn't do the ribbed edges on that. I'm looking back, I probably could have pinched it and stuff like that. But boom, you know, that is it done. 2 piled on there. But I prefer this one for some reason. For this one, this one works. It's in a tin that most of you guys can get hold of. It does the crimped edges nicely, and it's still big. It's all done. The jam's nice and set in there. It's just, it wants to break. If it wasn't for the board underneath it holding it, it would snap. So the other one, if you want to sort of run around with it, wear it as a hat, make it, it's just as good. But there we go. A big old Jammie Dodger.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all 3.
Right, Lady and the Tramp, okay? Lady and the Tramp scene. We're not going to go...
Take 2.
Yes. We're not going to eat the whole thing. Just to take a bite from each side. We'll have a pug this end, alright? Ready?
A pug?
It's a joke. Take 4. Go on, do it. Oh, my finger was that and you're going to bite it then?
This is weird.
For God's...